trying to wipe my name out, but they don't fuck around, cause they know I back that thing out and try to mark them off when the gunshots ring out. And in the midst of action, I'ma try to wipe their name out and keep on dumping till I break a fucking spring out.
Handle your business, can't get your grip. Can I get a witness?
Ghetto people, your dreams have now been fulfilled. Grip your steel.
Handle your business, can't get your grip. Can I get a witness?
Ghetto people, your dreams have now been fulfilled. Back out your steel.
You motherfuckers better raise up.
They already did.
Who that? The 87 stick-up kids. We're back. I'm hoping that you're focused on the side, cause frontin' on me and mine, mad niggas die. Is this hip-hop? Hell no, this is war. I've been trying to tell you that since I was about some hardcore. You don't listen. C, D, I'm on a mission. Look, B, they gon' find your ass missing. Every 6 million fan game we maintain a strange but a strong game. They can't change your real ghetto passion for blasting, subtracting. Those that ain't matching my fashion, I'm mashing. Mentality's real, fatality's ill. When your staff's in my path and your staff gets a raw deal. Clack, clack, get your gas.
Buck up, buck up, buck up, buck up, buck up.
Blow, blow, get the fuck back. Handle your business, can't get your grip. Can I get a witness?
Ghetto people, your dreams have now been fulfilled. Grip your steel.
Handle your business, can't get your grip. Can I get a witness?
Ghetto people, your dreams have now been fulfilled. Grip your steel. Face mine, cause I'm here. Dog, it's all clear. Rap dudes wouldn't know a baseline from a snare. Then they wanna doubt the kid who analyzed this whole fucking shit and try to make something out of it. Explode quicker than landmines. MOP tapes make earthquakes and cause landslides.